Viewers, Mohammad Farooq here. Today I would like to share the summary of the book How to Win Friends and Influence Others. This book was written in 1936 by Dale Carnegie. This is one of the best books I ever read in my life. I wish I could read this book in my early career. I wish I could read this book when I started working in 2011 in Ufone, and later on in my earlier days of Telenor in 2015 to 2016. This book is extremely helpful for someone who wants to be a politician. This one is extremely helpful for the people in the business. This book also helps the people who want their students to like them. So I recommend you to listen this video, this summary completely. I will try to make it as short as possible, so that if you like the book more, you can buy the book and you can read it. But I will make sure to share with you all the points which I learned from this book. Okay, if in one sentence I say that what I learned from this book says that you can win the friends and you can influence people by only liking them. What happens is that in my early career days, when I started working in Ufone, I wanted to show myself as an expert of some field. I was working extremely hard, but at the same time I was speaking all the time, sharing the people about my plan, sharing the people about my project, just trying to impress others. What happens in impressing others, we most of the time we forget that people are interested to talk about themselves rather than listening about us. Everyone has certain everyone has certain interests. So I have divided the steps in which you can influence others or win someone into 4 steps. Okay, so the first step is that become interested in others. Okay, and that is the genuine interest. It's not like just you show them that you listen to them something and they tell you something and then you forget it. It's not like this way. Become genuinely interested, genuinely listen to them, what they have learned in their life, what they have to say. Okay, the first thing is just genuinely showing them that you are interested in listening them, you are interested in getting advice from them. The second thing is listen them. What happens is that there is a reason that we have been given one mouth and 2 ears. We are supposed to listen more. All the leaders have one trait in common, and that is that they are great listeners. So if you listen to the people, then you can win them and you can influence them. The third thing is that you have to take interest in their things, what they talk about most of the time. For example, if your boss has children, you can talk about his children. If your boss has some promotion issues, you can talk about his promotion issues. If you want your parents to like you, you can go to them, you can talk about their things in their life, what is going on in their life. What happens is that once they listen, once they know that you are interested in them, you are listening them, and then you take interest in their things, then automatically they start taking interest in your things, and then you win them or influence them. And the fourth point is that make the other person feel important. It's not that the initiation is from being genuine. If you are not genuine, you will not be able to cross all other steps. So I would say start with being genuine, take the interest, listen them, and be a genuine person. Make them feel important so that they make you important in their life. In this way you will for sure succeed. I hope you liked these 4 steps. Please share it with others if you like these steps.